Struggling with managing your blood sugar levels? You're not alone. Millions across the globe grapple with this same challenge every day. The importance of maintaining healthy blood sugar levels cannot be overstated. It's a key component of overall health and well-being. Ignoring it can lead to serious complications, including heart disease, nerve damage, and even vision loss. It's a battle that requires constant vigilance. But what if we told you that there are some simple natural remedies that can help? Yes, you heard it right. Certain teas are not just soothing but can also help manage your blood sugar levels. Tea, a natural gift from Mother Nature, brims with antioxidants and compounds that can effectively regulate blood sugar. It's not just a comforting brew, it's a health elixir that battles high blood sugar and boosts overall health. Whether it's green, black, or herbal, tea holds a realm of health benefits under its steam. Now let's dive into the 7 teas that can help lower your blood sugar levels. From green tea to chamomile, let's explore the world of teas that can help you in your battle with blood sugar. First up is green tea. This antioxidant-rich elixir is known for its multitude of health benefits, one of which includes aiding blood sugar control. It contains polyphenols that help to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are linked to diabetes. Next, we have black tea. Similar to its green counterpart, black tea is rich in polyphenols that can enhance insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. It's a robust and flavorful choice for your daily cup. Chamomile tea is a soothing option, often consumed before bed to promote relaxation. But did you know it also helps lower blood sugar? It slows down carbohydrate absorption, effectively preventing sugar spikes after meals. On a more exotic note, there's hibiscus tea. This vibrant, tangy beverage is packed with antioxidants and has been shown to have a positive effect on blood sugar control, especially in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Ginger tea, a spicy and warming drink, is another great option. It improves insulin sensitivity and has anti-inflammatory properties, both crucial in managing blood sugar levels. Moving on to oolong tea, a traditional Chinese tea. It's somewhere between green and black tea in terms of oxidation and has been found to lower blood sugar and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Last but not least, we have fenugreek tea. This is a bit of a wild card as it's not your typical tea leaf. It's made from the seeds of the fenugreek plant and has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine. It helps to slow down digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, thereby reducing blood sugar levels. Each of these teas offers a unique blend of health benefits, including helping to manage your blood sugar levels. So there you have it, 7 teas that can help in your journey towards better blood sugar control. We've explored the benefits of green tea, rich in polyphenols, black tea with its abundance of flavonoids, hibiscus tea, known for its high antioxidant content, the calming chamomile tea, bright and tangy lemon balm tea, the unique oolong tea, and the powerful cinnamon tea. Remember, each of these teas brings something unique to the table and can be a delightful addition to your daily routine. However, it's crucial to understand that these teas are not a magic potion. They are a tool, one of many, in managing your blood sugar levels. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle are still the key players in this game. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more health tips. Remember, your health is in your hands. Cheers to a healthier you.